In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Salesforce security token. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account using your usual username and password. You'll need full access to your account, so if you're having trouble signing in, resolve that first before continuing. Once you're logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the Salesforce screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic profile image depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to your personal settings area where you can manage things like your account details, language, and in this case, your security token. On the settings page, focus on the menu on the left-hand side. This menu may have several sections, but you're looking for one called My Personal Information, or something very similar. If the list is long, you might need to scroll down a little to find it. Once you see My Personal Information, click on it to expand the options underneath. Among those options, look for Reset My Security Token. Click on Reset My Security Token to open the specific page where you can request a new token. On this page, you should see a button labeled Reset Security Token. Before you click it, keep in mind that when you reset your token, Salesforce will generate a completely new one, and the old token will no longer work. This is important if you use the token to connect Salesforce to other tools or integrations, such as data loaders, email clients, or third-party applications. After resetting, you'll need to update those tools with the new token. When you're ready, click the Reset Security Token button. The page will refresh, and you'll see a confirmation message. It will say that Salesforce has sent a new security token to the email address associated with your account. At this point, go to your email inbox and look for a new message from Salesforce. Inside that email, you'll find your new security token. Keep it safe and treat it like a password. Use it to update any connected applications that require the token. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Salesforce security token.